We are opening Lucky Box. Okay, let's go. Let's hope for something. Oh,
Damn it!
We got a Pakrama to Mama at Christmas. Let's open our, no. Let's open our festive normal. And now we fly away in Medusa. Let's see what we get. Those Panda Frosties suck. Alright, let's go upstairs and see what we can get. Let's see. Let's hope we get something good. Alright, we got triple stack Tralalaritos. Alright, we're gonna fly away in Medusa and stack with Brick. Let's see this again. Another triple stack. We're also doing a giveaway. Whoever subscribes and puts the comment in the username, I'll get this. Let's hope we hit 50 subs.